right in front of me, there is a big mess of stuff that I have to show you. I can't put them where they belong unless I show them to you. So let's start. I've got these gray touch-up pen. This is lightest brown to medium blonde root touch-up by Gray Away EVERPRO. I'm losing my sight on my right eye. I'm having major problems with my right eye. It's bleeding, and I'm getting injections in my eye. If any of you have had any of this problem, let me know. Yeah, he's trying to save my eyesight on my right eye. My left eye, he made a 20/20, but I might go blind on my right eye. I'm just trying to deal with it. Not easy. So anyway, back to the fun stuff. EVERPRO has this Gray Away Root Touch-Up Quick Stick. Now, I keep one of these in my purse at all times when I'm in the car so I can see what's going on with my roots. Now look at this, lightest brown to medium blonde. How wonderful is that, right? So let me show you. Here, that is so perfect. Now let's see, I've been doing my hair all morning, experimenting. So here's a section. I think this is perfect. Perfect. Let's try to find another spot. Okay. Perfect. Ooh. Oh. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. And what's so great about this is there's nothing to spill. It stays closed. It's got a little sponge over here so you can rub it in. Let's put some here. And you know, even if you don't have gray hair, if you have a receding hairline, you could just fill in your receding hairline. And it really works. And you can make it look natural by using the sponge. And it comes in this box. I got it from Amazon. I'm very, very happy with this. Very happy. Next one I got, which I touched up this morning, was this Touch of Color by Ardell. And this is light brown. Now this has a screw-off cap, which is very good because you know it's not going to fall. And the bottom is the twist-up part. And here are bristles. But right now, I'll show you on a piece of paper. Ooh, look at that. It's got a lot of stuff on it. This is the light brown, but I have it on already. So, but this is a good one. Okay, another thing, I bought another one of these by Revlon. A little bit there, a little bit there. I've been using this as a primer for my eyes before my shadow. And believe me, I never have done that before. I just started. I always use the NYX eyeshadow base, but I ran out of it. And now I've been just using concealer like everybody says on YouTube, but and I'm baffled because concealer is supposed to be moisturizing, and I didn't know if you want moisturizing on your eyelids, but it works. It works. You can use concealer on your eyelids. And now my new lipstick by Rimmel is 006 Pearl Shimmer, and it's just like a shimmer and a highlight. And I put some on my eyes. It made it nice and creamy. And I put some on my cheeks. And my lips. And this color is, it's kind of a, okay, it's kind of a peachy gold. Let me put it on the tissue for you. I put it on my toilet tissue. Okay, there it is. There it is. That's pretty. And I like it as a topper. When I looked at it, I thought it was Revlon. I never buy Revlon lipsticks in the tube anymore because when I was working in Manhattan, first PR and then I went into advertising, I used to shop at Saks Fifth Avenue or the drugstore. Every time I wore a Revlon lipstick, it would bleed. And that was not a good look. I'm just trying to fix my eyebrows here. This is the one and only fabulous waterproof, holds your hair down, doesn't move till tonight when I scrub it off. This is the best. This is the best eyebrow pencil. And you only need the blonde. Believe me, that's all you need, the blonde. You don't want your eyebrows too dark. Excellent. Oh, I bought this because I saw this on a YouTube video. AQUAPHOR Healing Balm Stick for chapped skin. And they're using it on their crow's feet and their cheeks. It does wipe some of the makeup off. But if you dab it, you get a boost of moisture. And I bought the one that's for babies because it was cheaper and avocado oil and shea butter enriched, and anything that's recommended for babies is good enough for me. It's safer. And like my sunscreen, this is for kids. It won't run into your eyes. But like if I want to go out in the sun today, not go out in the sun, but run errands or even sit on the beach if I wanted to, I would be all covered up. I always put this all over my face. Put it on before my makeup, after my makeup. I put it on my hands in the car, on my cuticles. This is great. This is great. And there's so many deals. I'll look for some good deals for you because you could buy like 3 of them for the cheapest price. Okay. I gave one to my granddaughter. Whoever wants one, I give it to. So Kids Sport by Banana Boat. Power Stay technology won't run into your eyes. So no matter how much you sweat, it's not going to run into your eyes. Right. This I bought for my grandkids because I'm a kid at heart. And just because they're grown up now, that doesn't mean we can't have fun. They know Grandma has a toy box. And they're all in their 20s now. Look at this. This is too cute. Now, I have the chickens that we fling. We fling these chickens. And there's still 3 on my wall from the last time they were all here doing this. But now I bought this. It's a slingshot. And it comes with 3 poop emojis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 poop emojis. And what you do is connect it. I mean, this is fun. I mean, who says coming by Grandma's house is boring? Not by me. Woo! And then I challenge them to stick them all over my wall. And then party's over. They fall every now and then, and I think of the kids. So I bought a whole pack of these with all different slingshots. So we're going to have a real ball with this. Look how cute that is. Isn't that the cutest little thing? And it's thick, squishy. All right, it's got to be the way that, this way. I don't think this way. Yeah, it's got to be that way. You pull it, the ball goes in the front, and this, yeah, okay. And my grandkids, they shoot them up to 20-foot ceilings. But eventually they come down. So I don't care. As long as they're having fun. Have fun at Grandma's. Okay, what else? Now I'm putting blonde streaks in my hair with this Wow, Color Wow. It's got a double brush. And it is, there you go. And there is the blonde. I bought the brown too, but the blonde I bought to make highlights. And it really makes highlights. It's great. It's called Color Wow Root Cover-Up in Blonde. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. I love you all. And know that I appreciate you so much. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful night. Love you all. Mwah!